Hi, my name is Hansa and I'm an actor, and I've done films and series and TV also, ads too. So, lockdown, suddenly, and you just don't know what to do. सडनली अनाउंस होता है कर्फ्यू लग जाएगा एंड एक लक्ष्मण रेखा आपके घर के बाहर है, आप घर से बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे एंड यू जस्ट स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. You think about your work, you think about your income, as everything, the world has come to a halt and you just don't know what to do. Difficult. Yes, it was. Initial few days it was very, very difficult because you take time to adjust to the new thing that's happening, which is now called a new normal, I guess. I hope this new normal becomes normal soon. But it is essential because it should not spread, so we have this lockdown. But having said that, my home is my happy space and I do everything that is creative, which I love to do. I have so much of time to do it without thinking about it. It's my time, my space, and my pace also. I'm not answering any doorbells. I am just in happy zone. And let me tell you one more thing, I stay alone by myself. So after doing all household work, cooking for myself, and then I have a lot of time to do something more creative. I love to click, so I click pictures, yes, at home only. And I love to dance, so I have all the time in the world to dance, so I dance, as I'm also a salsa dancer. And I'm a healer, so I love to give as a pep talk to people whosoever need it. My friends reach out to me, some of my fans reach out to me, so I just keep doing that. And that's all is what is needed to stay positive. That's all I can say to everybody. Stay positive, stay proactive, and this is your time to bring out the best in you by going within yourself, because connect with yourself, know about yourself, and be just positive. As I see a lot of people becoming chef, which is a good thing. I hope they continue to do it. And also हम इस भाग दौड़ की ज़िंदगी में अगर थोड़ा रुक रहे हैं, it's a comma, it's not a stop. So we need some time to think about us, about ourselves. Just do that. Go within yourself and you will definitely find a lot, many answers and peace too. So just stay positive, stay proactive, stay creative, do whatever you go online, because there are a lot of many courses. If you want to do the courses, you can do the courses out there and they're free also. So it's up to you. Make use of it. Thank to internet, which is on. It's not banned. The internet is still on. So make the most of it. Use it productively, proactively, creatively, whichever way you want to use it. Just be at it. That's all I have to say. God bless you all. Stay positive. Stress is not going to work. So that's the way to live in this lockdown. And God bless you all. Thank you for making me part of this initiative. And this is me signing off.